talk about another great aquatic plant. So this plant right in front of me, this is a stem plant. It's called Cabomba Aquatica. It's a low-tech plant. It's easy. It looks great. It's not as dense as Limnophila back over there, but it's still comparatively a really good-looking plant that would be a better alternative for those who don't want that thick and dense, or you could say, overall structure. It's very undemanding when it comes to its care. I mean, it doesn't particularly need CO2 or fancy lights, or you could say, like, it does need a good substrate, but it would do fine without extra dosage of nutrients or CO2. Aside from that, this plant does require a bit higher amount of light as compared to other plants. That's why many people prefer this Limnophila back there as opposed to this one. However, it's still very neat looking plant, and it's still a great aquatic plant for hobbies and enthusiasts who want to broaden their overall collection and add a bit more, let's just say, make their tank a bit biodiverse in terms of the species they have, the different types of plants they have in their tank. Propagating this plant is easy. You just basically trim like a section of a stem from here, you replant that portion back into the substrate and it will grow. And from the area where you had trimmed, two new offshoots would develop. And that's how you basically propagate this plant. It's relatively fast grower and it grows really tall. It might in no time like start covering the top of this tank, so you'll have to trim it frequently. But still, when it comes to beginners and low-tech setups, I guess this is one of the best plants you could have.